Hello and welcome back. I'm here at the event of Shobha. As we already know, Shobha is launching a beautiful master community, which is Shobha Sanctuary. It's their biggest master community in their portfolio. It's a 37 million square feet of size. It comprises of townhouses, semi-detached villas, and standalone villas. In the future, they're also going to be launching buildings, but for now, for the first phase, they are launching 3 different clusters, which they're going to have garden villas, courtyard villas, and estate villas. They're going to comprise from 4 to 6 bedrooms. I'm not going to give you more information because in the presentation, pretty much everything is covered. That is the types of villas, the layout, how many bedrooms, the sizes, and also the prices. Shobha also arranged a beautiful drone show, which I'm going to put that in a different link. So if you're interested to watch the drone show, then please click on the link above. The bookings will start very soon, so if you're interested in understanding more about the master community, for more details, then you can get in touch with me, call or WhatsApp me, and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to the Group Chief Sales and Marketing Officer of Sobha Realty, Mr. Ashish Parak.
This year is a very special year for us as we celebrate our founder, Mr. P.N.C. Menon's remarkable journey of 50 years in the GCC. With a very humble beginning in 1976, to today creating one of the most loved, respected and trusted brands, we decided to launch our biggest master plan right at the start of the year. This will be our 13th master plan in Dubai, excluding Shobha Senia Island and downtown Umm Al Quwain. This land parcel, this master plan, has 37.5 million square feet of land parcel, which will provide us more than 50 billion dirhams worth of sales value. To deliver this size of development, guys, our 60,000 Shobha employees team is truly committed to deliver the best quality product, and that too at the delivery timeline which Shobha expects. And I can promise you guys one thing, that this is gonna change the way of living for all the residents in this community. This community is a beautiful amalgamation of nature, which would be at the heart of this development. The community aspires to provide a perfect blend of physical, mental, and social wellness. At the core of this development, there is a 1 million square feet open park, which would connect the entire community. The community will be home to 50,000 trees and will provide a perfect balance of flora and fauna. The development also consists a 9-kilometer seamless wellness loop, a 6-kilometer leisure loop which runs across all the amenities, and a 20-kilometer long cycling track which is open to all the residents.
We are unveiling a whole new sanctuary. A sanctuary made with the vision of one man, Mr. P.N.C. Menon. The man who has been always insisting on quality, perfection in everything he has been doing for over 50 years. And that has led him to present excellence in everything he will do. Oxford Dictionary coined a new term when Shobha invented its process around backward integration.
And just because of that, Shobha did not go to Harvard. Harvard came to Shobha to write a case study on us.
Shobha has perfected how living should be by enabling the perfect balance and synergy between well-being, nature, and the human experience. More than 50% is reserved for green and open spaces.
So this is where a place, a life comes together. Entire nature, along with all the amenities, have been built in such a way that all the age groups will live in harmony. They will have a lot of moments of cherishable memories that they will create for the rest of their lives.
And of course, all of this within one complete ecosystem, which is Shobha.
So this is a life which is designed within. None of the residents of this community would ever have to step outside for anything. And to top it all, we have got a lot of innovation coming in this community. This innovation is gonna make this community future-proof for any of the initiatives this region is going to take. These innovations are going to be highly sustainable. They are sustainable to the core that the design in itself is going to be so resilient that the development is going to last more than hundreds of years. So that is what the design feature element, along with the innovation and huge amount of sustainable features, is being included in this master plan. And right in front of you, you see highlighted 37.5 million square feet, 1,000 acres nearly, the masterpiece in making, Shobha Sanctuary. So this is the location, guys, wherein we have got 2 master plans already in the nearby region. This is sandwiched between Dubai Al Ain Road 140 and E77 Expo City Road. Location cannot get better than this. Shobha Sanctuary, 50,000 plus trees, 9 plus kilometers of wellness loop, 1 million square feet of central park, 5 kilometers of leisure loop, and 20 kilometers of seamless cycle loop, all within the community.
And this is how it looks like. Wow.
Wow, a seamless master plan built on the philosophy of a life within.
Do you notice the size of the roads around the edge? Any idea how many lanes it is, Mohit?
Generally, it's 2 lanes within any community.
Yeah, most communities have only 2 lanes, right?
I have not
all across
seen.
Dubai. This community has got 3 plus 3 lanes on the outer peripheral.
What?
Yes.
3
Within
plus-
the community, 3 plus 3 lanes.
You mean to say, within the community, the road inside the community is going to be 3 plus 3, 6 lane
Yes.
network?
Yes.
Wow. 6 lane network.
6
is
lane
gonna
dual
be-
carriage network within the community.
So let's calculate in terms of meters. 6 lane network should be close to roughly about 55,
51 meters.
51
exact.
meters. 51 meters broad road network
To get
in
around the
this master
community.
plan.
So, within this master plan, we have, like Mohit said, 50% open spaces for greens and the nature which is all around you. And this is the life which we want each and every customer here to experience within this nature. Within this nature, we want life to be experienced with the right community. And this is what we've done here with all the retail spaces and other elements which we have put together in Shobha Sanctuary. Within the master plan, you have the nature. Within the nature, you have the community. And within the community, you have the love. And that is exactly how it all blends within Sanctuary.
clusters that we will be launching now. The Grove, the Brooks, and the Greens. All these clusters will have different range of villa offerings. And this is an estate plan which is right sitting across on top towards the right in the middle. This is the cluster which is signified for its low density, larger spaces, bigger plots, and that's how the key plan would look like. In the Grove, it's so limited in density that it will only have 158 estate villas. And whenever we talk about estate villas, there are always dear in sizes. Here in estate villas, we have got 3 typologies: 4, 5, and 6 beds. Let's start with a 4-bedroom. This is a very limited collection of villas that we are releasing in the very first lot, 158 villas. This is how a 4-bedroom villa would look like. An independent villa with a largish plot. This is how the layout would look like. If you closely observe, right at the entrance, it's a double-heighted foyer. Even a 4-bedroom has got 2 living rooms, one below, second one family on the first floor, G+1 structure, along with a swimming pool stuffed in. So that's a standard offering by Shobha, high on specifications. 4-bedroom estate villa at the Grove. Now that's a 5-bedroom villa. This is how it will look like, the elevation. The theme remains standard in estate villas. Every entry is gonna be double-heighted. Right at the entry foyer, all the estate villas will have 2 living rooms. 4 and 5 beds are G+1 and swimming pool is given. Swimming pool is a standard thing by Shobha, like we have done in our previous developments. So a 6-bedroom would look like this. It is spread across 3 levels: ground, first and second level. Again, maintaining the same theme. On the ground level that you see, a double-heighted foyer, 1 bedroom below, living room below. This one comes along with a built-in elevator. Level 1 will have 1 family room and bedrooms, and level 2 would have a master suite.
For the first time ever in Shobha, the Brooks Courtyard Villa. G+2 with the elevation, and you can see that here.
So a courtyard villa is a 5-bedroom G+2 structure, and it has an internal elevator as well.
It has an elevator as well.
Wow, this is fantastic. 5-bed courtyard villa along with internal elevators.
Returning to the stage of Shobha, Garden Villas. What an amazing layout.
These are the 4-bedroom garden villas, guys. Right in front of you. 1 bedroom below along with maids and 3 on top.
Yeah. 3+1. 2 car parks. And yes, this is the corner one which we have. We have some in the center as well. But this is the corner one with the, that's why you can see the garden on 2 sides of it. 60% during construction and 40% on completion, guys.
Revealing the prices along with some music for Shobha Sanctuary. For all these 3 clusters on the screen. Now, garden villas, 4-bedroom, 4.15 million starting prices. There are 4 types of 4 beds, A, B, C, and D. Courtyard villas, 5-bed courtyard villas, ground +2, estate villas, 4, 5, and 6 beds. Estate villas are starting at 9.3 million.
Error detected. This is not the final price.
can we measure quality in any product? It's about number of defects the product has got, right? In the luxury car industry, the number of defects per car is 0.2. That is 0.2 defects per unit or per car. Every 5 cars, there is 1 defect. Do you know what is the number in Shobha? 0.12 defect per unit. That means it takes 10 units to find 1 defect. It is not me who's saying, it's the customer data. Can you imagine a product, a real estate, a villa or an apartment where you have to go to 10 apartments to find 1 defect? This is what the Shobha missionary gives you. I don't think any company in real estate anywhere in the world can give you this promise of quality. We are here to listen to you. We are here to assure you that a Shobha product is going to be defect-free. We are here to assure you that a Shobha product will be always delivered on time. We will never delay your promises to your customers. Wish you all the best for selling Shobha Sanctuary. God bless you all.